Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down a fascinating concept that is shaping the future of technology, the AI factory. In simple terms, an AI factory is nothing but a specialized data center where intelligence is produced in the form of tokens. These tokens are the building blocks powering countless intelligent applications and driving industry evolution. The term AI factory was popularized by nVidia's Jensen Huang. Let us hear directly from him about what exactly an AI factory is and how it is transforming the world around us. Jensen Huang also makes a brilliant analogy comparing the AI factory to an electricity factory. Just like electricity powered the last industrial revolution, AI factories will power the next one, fueling everything from innovation to entire industries. Now, let us hear from Jensen Huang.
We are producing something for the very first time that has never been produced before. And we're producing it in extremely high volume. And the thing that we're producing for the very first time, for the mathematicians and all the computer scientists in the room, for all of you, you know that we're producing tokens. We're producing floating point numbers at high volume for the first time in history, and the floating point numbers have value. The reason why they have value is because it's intelligence. It's artificial intelligence. You can take these floating point numbers, you reformulate it in such a way that it turns into English, French, proteins, chemicals, graphics, images, videos, robotic articulation, steering wheel articulation. We're producing tokens at extraordinary scale. Now, we've discovered a way, through all of the work that we do with artificial intelligence, to produce tokens of almost any kind. So now, the world is going to produce an enormous amount of tokens. Now, these tokens are going to be produced in new types of data centers. We call them AI factories. Back in the last industrial revolution, water comes into a machine. You light the water on fire, right? Turn it into steam, and then it turns into electrons. Atoms come in, electrons go out. In this new industrial revolution, electrons come in and floating point numbers come out. These tokens are going to create new products, new services, enhance productivity on a whole slew of industries. $100 trillion worth of industries on top of us.
So, there you have it, straight from Jensen Huang himself. The AI factory is not just a buzzword, it is the foundation of next big industry revolution. Hope this video gave you a clear picture of the concept AI factory. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.